Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world at breakneck speed, but while everyone talks about ChatGPT and image generators, there are crucial facts hiding in plain sight that almost nobody discusses. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 5 AI secrets that change everything you thought you knew about this technology. Let's start with something that will blow your mind. Every time you interact with an AI, you're not actually talking to a thinking machine. You're interacting with a mathematical prediction engine that's essentially playing an incredibly sophisticated game of what word comes next. These systems have no understanding, no consciousness, and no awareness of what they're saying. They're just phenomenally good at pattern matching, based on billions of examples. Think of it like this. If you read every book ever written, you'd get really good at predicting how sentences should continue. But that doesn't mean you understand the meaning behind the words. This is why AI can write a beautiful poem about heartbreak without ever having felt a single emotion. It's all patterns, all the way down. Now here's secret number 2, and this one affects your privacy in ways you probably never considered. When you use free AI services, your conversations aren't just disappearing into the void. Many of these companies are using your prompts and interactions to train their next generation of models. That creative story you wrote, that business plan you drafted, those personal questions you asked at 3 in the morning, they could all become part of the training data that shapes future AI systems. Some services offer opt-out options buried deep in settings, but most people never find them. This means millions of private conversations are feeding the machine, creating an unprecedented transfer of human knowledge and creativity into corporate databases. The AI isn't just serving you, you're serving it. Secret number 3 will change how you view AI capabilities forever. These systems are incredible at sounding confident even when they're completely wrong. In the AI field, we call these mistakes hallucinations, and they happen far more often than most people realize. An AI can generate a scientific reference that sounds perfectly legitimate, complete with author names, journal titles, and publication dates, except none of it exists. It can describe historical events that never happened, cite laws that were never written, and explain concepts with authoritative-sounding nonsense. The scary part is that the AI presents false information with exactly the same confidence as true information. There's no hesitation, no uncertainty in its voice. This is because the AI doesn't actually know the difference between truth and fiction. It's simply generating the most statistically likely continuation of text based on its training. For every person who double-checks what their AI tells them, there are dozens who trust it blindly, making decisions based on beautifully written, completely fabricated information. Here's the 4th secret that tech companies really don't want you thinking about too carefully. The environmental cost of AI is staggering. Training a single large AI model can consume as much electricity as 100 American homes use in an entire year. Every time you generate an image, every time you have a conversation with an AI, you're contributing to a massive energy drain that's only growing larger. Data centers running these AI systems are sucking up electricity at unprecedented rates, and many are powered by fossil fuels. As AI becomes more popular and more powerful, this problem intensifies. We're essentially trading carbon emissions for convenience, and most users have no idea they're part of this equation. The companies building these systems rarely advertise the carbon footprint because it doesn't fit the clean, futuristic image they want to project. But the servers running AI are very real, very physical, and very power hungry. And now for the 5th secret, perhaps the most important one of all. AI isn't actually replacing jobs in the way everyone thinks. It's doing something far more complex and potentially more troubling. Rather than entire jobs disappearing overnight, AI is hollowing out specific tasks within jobs, changing the nature of work itself. A graphic designer doesn't get replaced entirely, but the parts of their job that involve creating variations and basic layouts start flowing to AI, leaving them with less work and less value to offer employers. A writer doesn't become obsolete, but the market gets flooded with AI-generated content that's good enough for many purposes, driving down rates and opportunities. This creates a strange new economy where humans are competing with tireless machines that work for pennies. But here's the twist that almost nobody discusses. The jobs that survive won't be the ones AI can't do. They'll be the ones that humans still prefer humans to do, even if AI could technically handle them. Think about it. We already have self-checkout machines everywhere, but many people still prefer a human cashier. We have automated phone systems, but we all still press 0 to reach a real person. The future of work isn't about what AI can or cannot do. It's about what humans want other humans to do for them. And that's a question of psychology, not technology. These 5 secrets reveal a truth that cuts through all the hype and fear surrounding artificial intelligence. This technology is simultaneously more powerful and more limited than most people understand. It's neither the salvation nor the apocalypse that headlines promise. It's a tool, an incredibly sophisticated one, but still just a tool shaped by human decisions, human data, and human values. The question isn't whether AI will change our world. It already has. The question is whether we'll understand it well enough to shape that change wisely, or whether we'll sleepwalk into a future we never really chose. And now you know what 99% of people don't know? Share with us any interesting and exceptional ideas about AI in the comments section. Like and subscribe for more similar videos. Then watch the next AI video that will pop up in front of you soon